Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel Custom Tastic. My name is Aishram Tekkar and I'm so happy to have you all here. So firstly, the inspiration to my channel is when I gave an overview to my life and realized that I'm stuck in a routine which does not include my dreams and passion. That's the point where it hit me that I wasn't doing what I truly love, and that is when I decided to take a leap. I started improving my art skills like painting, sketching, and even learning advanced editing. After learning skilled knowledge, I felt like I was ready to finally start my challenge and show my passion to the world. It reminded me how important it is to follow your passion even when it's scary. My main purpose of this video is to present my art skills, which might also inspire all my audience. The channel will consist of customizing shoes, clothes, room walls, making DIYs and many more. So I decided to post one YouTube video every week, which means 48 videos. I want to stay minimum 2 videos ahead of a schedule. So every time I post a new video, I'm going to cross out one of these. I have made total 55 boxes in case I get motivated to shoot more content. So if you are looking for some crazy stuff, so this is the place for you. So thanks for joining me on this journey. Do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out what's coming next. I can't wait to share more with you. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.